Nigeria student don dey for house for the past 6 months. They say make you talk through. Say now who get the fault? Now government, I been na ASU, I been na the student.
Now the government now.
How? Make you explain.
But I go extend am reach students.
Oh yeah, now let's go.
The reason be say I no fit believe say students just dey look.
Now him I want talk say during your time,
during our time,
na rugged level.
They no fit try this kind thing.
So
we for don enter town, scatter everywhere. I mean, scatter in a peaceful way. Shut down
protest,
protest, peaceful protest. But they go know say people won't go back to school.
Okay,
you understand? Because they close school during our own time too now. But when we enter back, we go make sure say we first of all force them to reopen school, force them to negotiate, because this one are the future of the country. You understand? It doesn't matter. You fit throw the blame left, right, and center, but it is not just, fair, and equitable. Say councilor, we no get degree, they collect fatter salary than university lecturers. You understand? That we no fit invest money for our universities. We go produce the future of the country. We go hold the country tight. But we dey spend money to buy SUVs for Niger Republic, 2 billion, or one accountant general fit waka with 190 billion, but we no fit give ASU of all the universities wey dey this country 200 billion make they take go back away from strike. Na shame on us and a shame on our government. All right, now, yes, na shame on us and a shame on our government. Wetin be the difference between una when una be SUG presido those days and the presido of SUG now? Wetin be the difference? Una dey compromise then? No, we dey ideologically sound and we dey independent. You see, sometimes it depends on the people wey dey una back. Okay. That time Ganifa with me, Falana, all of them, they back us up. Okay. But these days, the student leaders of today, yes, they are aspiring very fast to become like the oppressors. If they see governor where they drive big cars, Nance president said want to drive. They some of them they even carry vanity plates. Nance, 1, Nance 2. Some of them get personal assistant 5, 10. Some of them they get houses. When you are aspiring to be like thieves, you are a baby thief. You understand? I know we discussed it before. Say baby thief, not there, but these ones are apprentice. So what you they try to talk? Be say they know what those Nance presido. They know what to do there. I know they hide them because look at then go do election for Abuja for 2 weeks now. They no mention strike during our time. This strike, if we enter Abuja until they resolve and we know they leave the place. So you all right carry armor tank, come do anything, we know they move until we resolve the problem. Now, if the leaders of the students compromise, what about the students? What thing you get to tell the students? I no lie to you. Yes. The leaders of students, they come from students. Yes. During our own time, even if you want compromise, fear go catch you. How you enter campus? They go throw you out. Now the students and them go they pursue you. You don't feel compromise. I dey tell people stories. Say when I go Abiola house for 1993, he give me 800,000 naira. Then a better money now. That time they sell 505, 9,000 Evolution and 9,000 naira, maybe 30,000, something around that time. So 800,000 fit buy me like 10. I fit buy house for Lekki, but I don't even look calm. Like, I can't even think of me collecting money. I tell Abiola, say, I didn't come here to collect money. They were giving 505 to student leaders during Babangida's time to bribe them so that they don't go fight for June 12. When they contact me, I tell the guy, say, you won't kill yourself. Today, you see they see 505 anymore. It don't come out. It not exist anymore. So anybody will collect now to compromise, you are just ruining your future. Especially when you collect and compromise on the sweat and the progress of your colleagues. Karma, you can't escape the karma. All right, make we cut and short. Like say you become president now. Yes. Waiting be the first thing where you go do in terms of our educational system for Nigeria. Now to declare state of emergency on education. On education, because see, education is everything. And to invest in education, I believe in free education. You understand? So yes. No matter what it takes, make that investment. The other day, I've been seeing one video from I think it's Denmark. They pay students to go school 1,000 naira, $1,000 to go school every month. The students say when they come supposed to graduate, they go refuse to graduate. You understand? But here, no students is even given loans or grants. My proposal for university students, apart from safe education go free, you go still get 100,000 naira per semester as study grant, transportation to go, come home, so that you go fit face your studies. I go prefer to invest in students than to invest in senators wey no dey do anything for us. 40 million naira per month.
All right.
Not be say their own salary alone, but now that investment,
sitting
because
allowance.
Yes, that investment is so important. And another thing where I want to talk about education, with the important, I don't believe in basic universal education anymore, because education not dey basic anymore. If you want compete for the world, children wey dey for primary school for America, they already get laptop.
Not true.
Anybody wey dey use chalkboard, you are not part of the world. We have to upgrade. Use virtual education, use computers, use technology to drive education, because there are 20 million kids that are out of school. You understand? In Nigeria alone, this is official position of UNESCO as of last week. How do we get them out of the streets? So there are more kids out of school than there are kids that are in school. You have to eliminate that, and that must be done not later than 2027, which is our first tenure in office.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.